Hello? Alright, go wash hand, Gama. What up, my Mr. Chocolate Cakes? How are you guys doing? I hope everyone are in the pink. So before anything else, I would like to wish you guys Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. So if you have been following me on Instagram, you would have been known by now that this channel just reached 100 subscribers. And the reason or purpose, and the purpose of this video is for... Can you hear the doorbell now? Let's go. So let's go and see what's outside. Oh my god. YouTube. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. YouTube. Dear Kavikain, congrats on reaching your your first 100. Oh yeah, they forgot to write 100. All cool. First 100 subscribers on YouTube. Hope you continue entertaining your audience with better content. We hope you accept this classic YouTube play button as a token of appreciation for what you have accomplished, and also just to let you know, you are the first to receive our classic play button. You inspire us every day. Keep it coming. Sincerely, ABC YouTube. Oh, I think this under this. I think it's under this. Ah! No. Oh. Like, wait. Yeah. No. Oh my god. I think it's under this. I'm sure it's under this. Like, wait. Let's see. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Oh. I think you guys. Like YouTube. Oh my god. All this unboxing. What? It's fake. Day. It's not fake, okay? It's not fake. Stupid. You jealous lah now? Just because you didn't get it, you're telling. Bloody hell. See, got the silica gel, because they ship it from the, I don't know where's the headquarters. Sorry, Sanan. You telling this one? Huh? You telling this one is fake? Stupid. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, it's under this. Woo. So just now you guys saw the tissue, right? I feel damn like. Oh. Oh, look at my god, like, yo, oh, oh, that texture. Ooh la la. Oh, congratulations, Kavikain, 100 subscribers. And they also did right 29th December 2017. YouTube. What's in the back? Oh! Like, yo, oh my god, look at that. I'm the first one to get the classic. You got not? PewDiePie, yeah, I'm asking you. You got not? You okay, sir? You got like, can see my tears or not? YouTube. I think that's why they gave this tissue. Yeah. Oh. Celebration, man. Celebration. Wow. Okay, need to pick all the. Life as an Indian kid, need to pick this up. If not, Amma's gonna whack me. So in my like. Yeah. Okay. So in my next videos, all I'm gonna talk like this, I guess. If not, I'm just gonna put this in the wall so you guys can see. Yep. And I got like so I got in Instagram, I got tell you guys, like, if I reached 100 subscribers as appreciation, I will do 100 subscribers Q&A video. So the video is coming out. So the next video will be the Q&A video. Comment down all your questions in this video, and in the next Q&A, in the Q&A video, I will answer them all. Every single questions, guys, every single questions, because I appreciate you that much. Thank you for all your love and support. Okay, like this video if you liked it. Comment down below all your questions to get featured in the Q&A video. Subscribe to this channel, and our next goal is like 500, because 200 is not cool, like after 100, 500. So maybe I'll get another play button as well. So that's all. Subscribe, leave a like, comment down below your question. Why am I saying like